We know that UW-La Crosse produces great teachers, and that's why we hire so many of them.
As a student teacher, I've worked with a diverse population.
They're making a real difference in young people's lives, sometimes a life-saving difference.
Hello, my name's Aaron Engel, and I'm the superintendent for the School District of La Crosse. Teachers that come from UW-La Crosse are ready for the full range of experiences you might have. And when we get an applicant, we're very excited because we know that they're going to be a great fit for us because they've already had the training and experiences they need to be successful.
I'm Lima Kaboshi, and I'm a professor of special education and program coordinator. We want our teacher candidates to be able to meet academic benchmarks, to develop also professional dispositions, and also show evidence that they are able to plan, teach, and assess students' learning.
The secondary teacher education program is where they get experience at the middle school and high school level, so they see a range of learning abilities. We prepare you to build relationships with students, to plan and know what you're talking about, and to jump in and really get hands-on experience teaching.
My name is Noah Looney. I'm a 5th grade teacher here at Eagle Bluff Elementary. I was in a La Crosse area school district. I went to urban Milwaukee, and then I was in the Onalaska School District. The summer Milwaukee urban experience was great, and I think that really prepared me for my classroom today. I learned Spanish and able to communicate with my Spanish-speaking students.
My name is Brielle Thompson. I'm an art ed major with an art history minor. I am student teaching at a middle school, so at a really fun age where they're just like learning a lot about themselves. They're finding out what they like and what they don't like and how they interact with other people. And I just like being there and being a part of that experience for them.
Hi, I'm Heather Linville, professor of TESOL, teaching English to speakers of other languages. Here at UWL, we offer a dual licensure program with TESOL, and the goal of this program is to make sure that students who graduate from UWL are well prepared to teach all of their students that they might have in the future. Students who might speak another language at home, who might be from another country themselves.
That dual major allows you to really respond to all of the students in your classroom. It creates an inclusive environment where you have the skills to take on whatever challenge may come your way.
Special education teachers are in high demand nationwide. So our students get hired even before their graduation because they have a dual licensure in both general education and special education.
The student teacher resident program is a year-long experience. My name is Alison Yarnell. I work with both Delane, so general ed students, and then I also work with special ed students with Emily.
It's really helpful that teachers are here the whole year because they kind of get the relationship building and the nervousness out in that first month or two. And then they have the rest of the school year to really fall into their style of teaching. And then they have more time teaching and leading.
She's definitely going to be one of the most prepared teacher candidates due to this program.
I also receive a stipend. It has definitely been a relief, and to the point where I'm able to focus more on helping my students succeed rather than my own personal finances.
We offer several study abroad options. If you are a TESOL dual license major, you'll have the opportunity to study abroad in Puerto Rico in January. Our students who are special education majors also have the opportunity to study abroad in Luxembourg.
The UW-La Crosse program consistently maintains high expectations and high standards for its students. The result is they're prepared day one to teach in a classroom. And we see it in their student teaching, we see it in their practicums, and we see it when they become our employees.